This is just a quick tutorial to review how we round on a number line. So if we have 3,547,958 and we want to round that to the nearest 10,000, because that's a pretty large number and we don't really need to have the exact number, we can use a number line, and that's a good representation of how to see exactly how it rounds. So the first thing I like to do is I like to identify my place value. In this case, I'm rounding to the nearest 10,000, so that's my 4. So then I set up my number line, and my number line will go look like a standard number line. On the left side over here, we will have a my number and to the nearest 10,000. So the nearest 10,000 to that number, the one that is underneath or below my whole number, is 3,540,000. The way I got that is because I took the 10,000 that is below the number I have. Then on the other side of the number line, I bump it up to the 10,000 that is above it. So in our case, it would be 3,550,000. It's always important to put in our midline as well, because it helps us when we place our number on the number line. So halfway between 3,540,000 and 3,550,000 is 3,545,000. I like to think of it as in between 540 and 550 is 545. Then I just need to have enough place values. So then I look at my number and I have to determine where exactly that fits. So is my original number greater than or less than this number? Well, it's greater than. So then I look, is it greater than or less than this number? And it is greater than, but I know it's going to be less than this. So I place it on the number line right about there, and I realize that it is closer to that one than it is to that one. So my original number would round to that number. Same thing can work for any place value. So in this one I have my same number, but now I'm rounding to the nearest 100,000. My 5 is in my 100,000s place. So on this side of the number line I have 3,500,000 because I'm going to the nearest 100,000. And on the other side of the number line I have 3,600,000. My midpoint needs to be whatever number is in between those two, and it's 3,550,000. Again, I like to think of it as going between 500 and 600 is 550, and then I add in my required place values. Then I look, is this number greater than or less than this number? Well, it's greater than, but it is less than my midpoint. So on a number line, it would be placed right about here, making me closer to this than to this, making my number round to that. So I hope this quick video was helpful for you as you prepare for your upcoming opportunity. Little brief review on rounding.